Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Confirm your Midea AC model supports Wi-Fi and you have the Midea Air app installed. Create or sign into your account in the app before pairing. Ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz network with the Wi-Fi password ready. Disable VPNs and avoid guest networks during setup to prevent blocking. Place the air conditioner within 3 meters of the router to ensure a strong initial signal. Keep the remote and AC manual nearby to identify the Wi-Fi or power on the AC and find the Wi-Fi or mode button on the indoor unit or remote. Reset Wi-Fi by holding that button for 5 to 10 seconds until the indicator blinks rapidly. Open the Midea Air app and tap Add Device, then select Air Conditioner from the device list. Follow the in-app prompts, choosing AP or Smart Config if offered by the app. Enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password accurately and allow up to 2 minutes for the app to complete pairing and confirm. If pairing fails, power cycle the AC and router, then retry pairing after 30 seconds. Move the indoor unit closer to the router and keep it within 3 meters during setup for reliable signal. Try switching the router channel or temporarily disabling 5 GHz to ensure 2.4 GHz connectivity. Perform a factory reset by holding the Wi-Fi button for 10 seconds if the device remains unresponsive. Update the AC firmware and Midea Air app regularly to resolve bugs and improve connection stability and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.